guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video I am doing a productive morning routine. So this is more like my ideal morning routine. Of course it doesn't always happen this way, but I just wanted to share it with you guys to hopefully motivate you. I know on YouTube you get a lot of those morning routines that incorporate 50 million things in the morning, along with you have a full face of makeup, you're wearing all the aesthetic clothes. However, mine doesn't consist of that, so I just wanted to bring you guys a more realistic video in regards to my morning routine, so I hope you guys enjoy.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? Either come close or stay away. Oh, these words are echoing inside of me. Astray. Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? 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 Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper, babe? You said, where can I find your love? there is trouble. It's hard to confide. You move my world round every time. Sprint you magic in. You belong with the fairies. No matter what I say, it's black or white, not gray. Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure. You set the weather, every cloud, every rain. You're above and beyond. Oh, every tune is your song. Doesn't matter what
It's better knowing how to fall than to stumble. Living on the line with the truth all day. I've seen you on the radar so many times. I don't wanna end up hiding. I don't wanna end up fighting. So if you're coming close when I need you the most, slow it down. Talk slowly and talk. Yeah. Talk slowly. Better move slowly. Better move slowly. Better walk slowly and talk. Talk slowly. You are dangerous. I've gone through what you wanna give me. I've ended up as someone else. I've seen it from the dark side so many times. If you're gonna list to win me over, if you wanna give me closure, better love me and hold me and never give up. Slow it down. Walk slowly and talk slowly. Better move slowly.
hope you guys enjoyed this simple but productive morning routine. I hope it inspired you to get something done. And like I was telling you guys at the beginning, it doesn't have to be this aesthetic morning routine. Whatever fulfills your cup in the morning, or just setting a few things to actually get done to make you feel good before you go to work or you go about your day, that's all that matters. And I hope this inspired you to create one or to at least get something done. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
That's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn.